If your iPhone's text messages have disappeared, don't worry. I've got some solutions for you. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors such as settings changes, software glitches, or accidental deletions. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Turn off auto deletion. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap App. Scroll down and tap Messages. Ensure iMessage and Send as SMS are turned on. After that, scroll down. Tap Keep Message. If you want to keep it forever, then tap Forever. And never tap 30 days or 1 year. If you do, this will give you prompt to delete your message, which will eventually delete your message from your iPhone. Solution 2. Check iCloud settings. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Tap iCloud. Scroll down. Tap See All. Find iPhone message in iCloud. Ensure Messages is toggled on. From here also you need to tap Keep Message. Select this forever. Now tap Sync Now. Solution 3. Check recent deleted messages. Open the Messages app. Tap Filter the top left corner. Select Show Recently Deleted. If your messages are here, you can recover them. If you still have issues, you can try these last process to fix your issues. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. If there is no update, go back. Scroll down. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. This will not erase your data but will reset system settings. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your disappearing text. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.